Ariel Atom is one of the most extreme, uncompromising, and exhilarating performance machines ever created, and in this full review, we dive into every detail of what makes this open-wheel, skeletal rocket so iconic. From the moment you lay eyes on the Atom, its design philosophy becomes obvious. It strips away everything unnecessary and focuses purely on speed, engineering, and the raw connection between driver and machine. With no body panels, no roof, no doors, and barely any weight. Just a beautifully exposed, tubular exoskeleton chassis crafted for rigidity and precision, instantly giving the Atom a look more like a track-ready formula car than a road vehicle. And that visual honesty is matched by astonishing engineering beneath the surface, starting with its ultra-lightweight construction that keeps the car's mass around 520 kilograms depending on the model, allowing even modest horsepower figures to produce outrageous performance. Under the rear engine base, it's a range of powertrain options depending on the version, but the most famous is the Honda-sourced 2.0-liter iVTEC engine, available naturally aspirated or supercharged. And in the supercharged Atom 3.5R configuration, it pumps out around 350 horsepower, a staggering figure when combined with such a featherweight chassis, resulting in mind-bending acceleration that launches the Atom from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, and generates forces so intense that the car became a viral sensation in the early days of YouTube when Jeremy Clarkson's face famously distorted under the brutal acceleration, an iconic moment that cemented the Atom as a legendary performance benchmark. But performance figures only tell part of the story, because the Ariel Atom is engineered to deliver not just straight-line speed, but also extraordinary agility, razor-sharp handling, and a track-focused driving experience that borders on telepathic, thanks to its double wishbone suspension, adjustable dampers, exposed pushrod components, and incredibly precise steering that communicates every grain of the road surface directly to your fingertips, while the super low center of gravity and perfectly balanced chassis deliver supreme stability through corners at high speed, making the Atom feel like it's glued to the tarmac. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring lightweight ventilated discs, performance calipers, and pedal feedback that feels natural, firm, and confidence-inspiring even during aggressive track sessions, proving that the Atom doesn't just accelerate quickly, it stops with equal ferocity. Climb inside the cockpit, and the first thing drivers notice is how raw, mechanical, and purposeful everything feels, with bucket seats mounted directly to the chassis, a simple racing-style steering wheel, minimal instrumentation, exposed mechanical linkages, and an overall design that keeps weight to a minimum while delivering maximum driver engagement. Because this is not a car that pampers or isolates you from the road, this is a machine that immerses you in the driving experience on every level, where the wind hits your face, the engine's vibration travels through the chassis, and the sound of induction and exhaust roars inches behind your head, reminding you at all times that this is no ordinary road car. Despite its extreme philosophy, Ariel does offer customization options, including upgraded seats, harnesses, carbon fiber accessories, and different suspension setups, allowing owners to tailor the Atom to their driving style, whether they want a road-legal weekend toy, a dedicated track machine, or a supercar slayer that embarrasses much more expensive exotic cars with ease. Speaking of supercars, the Ariel Atom's performance-to-price ratio is one of its biggest strengths, because while it lacks luxury, electronics, and modern tech features, it offers performance that rivals or exceeds far more expensive hypercars, delivering adrenaline-fueled thrills and raw mechanical purity unmatched by nearly anything on four wheels. And yet, for all its extreme qualities, the Atom remains surprisingly accessible for skilled drivers, with predictable handling, progressive feedback, and a chassis that rewards precision rather than punishing mistakes, making it a capable learner's track car as well as a monster in the hands of an expert. In terms of practicality, the Ariel Atom offers almost none. There is no weather protection, no cargo space, limited comfort, and exposure to the elements that means rain, dust, and debris are all part of the driving experience. But Atom buyers don't choose this car for practicality, they choose it because there is nothing else like it. No other street-legal machine that delivers such an unfiltered, pure, and visceral connection to speed. And when you push the Atom to its limit on a track, it becomes clear why motorsport enthusiasts adore this car. The throttle response is instantaneous, the supercharger whine is addictive, and the lightweight chassis dances beneath you with precision and grace, allowing you to make micro-adjustments mid-corner and feel the car respond instantly, almost as if it's an extension of your own body. Visually, the Atom's open-frame design is not just for shock value, It serves real aerodynamic and structural purposes, reducing weight and allowing the chassis to function as both a safety cell and a performance platform, while the lack of traditional bodywork improves cooling and airflow across key components, ensuring reliable performance even under intense track use. And with each new version, Ariel continues refining the Atom while staying true to its core philosophy, adding incremental improvements in power, handling, and build quality without compromising the minimalist ethos that defines the car. Owners often describe the Atom as life-changing, not because of comfort or luxury, but because of the sense of freedom and mechanical purity it offers, the feeling of being completely connected to the road, and the thrill of experiencing speed in its most direct, unfiltered form, reminding us that driving can be more than just transportation. It can be an intense, joyful, adrenaline-charged experience that awakens the senses. In conclusion, the Ariel Atom stands as one of the most unique, radical, and exhilarating cars ever built, a machine designed for enthusiasts who crave raw speed, ultimate handling, and the purity of mechanical engineering without compromise. And whether you're blasting down a track, carving through back roads, or simply admiring the beautifully exposed chassis, the Atom delivers an experience like nothing else, a true celebration of performance, engineering, and the thrill of driving at its absolute limit.